So, very good morning students, welcome back. Today we are going to continue exercise 11.2 and 11.3. In 11.1 we have learned the conversions of time. So with the help of those conversions, today we will learn how to add and subtract the time given to us. So let's start with the first operation, which is addition. Here we will always follow the same format. Here we are asked to add this question. This sum is given to you in your book on page number 168. Fill in the blanks. This is the first part. So in this question, what is written to you, what is given to you is add 10 minutes, 30 seconds and 15 minutes, 45 seconds. This is the time given to us. Two timings are given to us and we have to add these two timings. So students, we have to follow little different steps while adding the time. This addition is little different than the normal addition. So student, the first thing which I would like to tell you, or which I would like to ask you is, we know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, and we know that 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So if we are talking about 60 minutes, it means we are talking about 1 minute. If we are talking about 60 seconds, so we are talking about 1 minute. So they both are same. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, means they both are same. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds, it means they both are same, only the units are different. So here, how we are going to perform addition? So first of all, we will see that we have to add 30 with 45. We have to add 30 with 45. So if we go for simple addition, we will get the answer as 0 plus 5, 5, 3 plus 4, 7. So here students, the main thing is at the place of seconds, 75 seconds, we have got the answer as 75 seconds. But in our clock, we don't consider the time, the seconds after 60. The last limit of seconds is 60. So here we have got 75. It is more than 60. So what we are going to do is, we have to make it lesser than 60 seconds. So what we are going to do, here we have got 75, which is more than 60. So we will subtract this 75 with 60. In your rough work, you will subtract 75 with 60. Why 60 students? Because हमने 60 से ज़्यादा का सेकंड हमने नहीं पढ़ा है. क्लॉक में भी 60 से ज़्यादा का सेकंड नहीं होता है, इसीलिए हमें इससे पहले हमारा आंसर 75 आया है, which is more than 60. So first we have to subtract this second with 60. So we will get the answer as 15. So here we will not write 75. Here we will write 15. Now you will ask me, ma'am, what about the rest of the time? What about the rest of the 60 seconds? So this 60 seconds will be converted into minute and will be carried over to minutes. So यहाँ का जो 60 सेकेंड हमारा रह गया है, वो 1 मिनट में चेंज हो जाएगा और ऊपर बोरो हो जाएगा. So here it will become 1 minute 1 minute is equals to 60 सेकेंड. तो ये 60 सेकेंड जो थे वो हमने यहाँ बोरो कर दिए. Now we will add this time. 10 minutes plus 15 minutes plus 1 minute. So what answer you will get is 5 plus 26. So our answer is 26 minutes 50 seconds. So every time whenever you are adding, if you are getting the answer more than 60 seconds or more than 60 minutes, so you have to subtract that answer accordingly. If the here it was second, so we have subtracted this 60 from 75. अगर यहाँ पर मिनट होता तो हम 60 मिनट से सब्ट्रैक्ट करते अगर हमारे यहाँ का आंसर 60 से ज़्यादा आता तो. So this was the first question. I would like to explain you the second also. Second sum is add 5 hours 40 minutes and 8 hours 45 minutes. So let's do this question also. I would like to tell you, I would like to explain you this in a very simpler manner. So here we are having hours and minutes. So see, hours and minutes. What is the question? First is 5 hours 40 minutes, 8 hours 45 minutes. Again we have to add. Earlier the question was in minutes and seconds. Now the question is in hours and minutes. So we have to follow the same method. We will add these two. Students, you will see that we are getting the answer as 85. Again, this 85 is more than 60 minutes. Yes, it is more than 60 minutes. So 85, we will subtract 85. We will subtract 60 from 85. Addition में हमेशा यह step follow करना है. So what we are going to do? We will subtract. We will get the answer as 25. So now here we will write 25. और जो 60 minutes थे, 60 minutes. What about the 60 minutes? This 60 minutes will be converted into hour and will be carried over by this. So here this 60 minutes has been converted into hours and it will become 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. That 60 minutes from this side will be converted into hours. So 8 hours plus 5 hours plus 1 hour. So what will be the answer, students? 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. So our answer will be 14 hours and 25 minutes. So every time the method is same, steps will be same. You have to perform additions like this. So this was addition. I hope additions are clear to you and it will be clear to you more by watching one YouTube link which I have already sent to you. So now we will learn subtraction. Subtraction also, students, it is given to you on page 168. How we are going to subtract? It is also very simple. Minutes, seconds. We have to add 20 minutes 30 seconds from 30 minutes 20 seconds. So first we will write 30 minutes 20 seconds and then we will write 20 minutes 30 seconds. So here, very important thing. I hope the addition is clear. Now subtraction. So here again we will start the subtraction like from the right side. So here you can see that 20 is lesser than 30. 20 is lesser than 30 and when when our subtrahend is lesser than, when the upper part is lesser than our lower part, then in that case we have to borrow the digit from the left side. So here how we will borrow. So here it is 20. So here it is 30. So in this case we will take 1 minute, as we know that 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So if we are taking 1 minute from here, it will become 29. We are subtracting, we are taking 1 minute from 30 minutes. So it will become 29 minutes. Yes. And here it will become 60 seconds. So that 60 seconds will be added to this 20. 60 plus 20, so it will become 80. यहाँ का 1 मिनट हमने लिया और यहाँ पर आके वो 60 सेकेंड बन गया. बट 60 सेकेंड जो हम यहाँ ले रहे हैं, that will be added to this number every time. So 60, then 60 plus 20 will become 80. So we will cut this 20 and we'll write 80 here. Now we can subtract. So 80 minus 30 will become 50, and 29 minus 20 will become 9. So our answer is 9 minutes 50 seconds. Every time when you are borrowing some number, in this way you are going to borrow. The method of subtraction is same but a little different than the normal subtraction. The only game is of the conversions. If the concept is clear, you will be able to do the sum. So I would like to explain you the second sum also, and that is again about hours and seconds. So that is also very simple. Hour and second. So here we have to subtract 5 hours 35 minutes from 10 hours 20 minutes. So 5 hours 35 minutes. Again 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Again we will see that 20 is lesser than 35. So again we are going to we will borrow some numbers from hours. So if we will take 1 hour from this, so it will become 9 here, and here it will be added. It will become 60 plus 20. So it will become 80 here. 60 plus 20. 80 here. So now we can subtract 80. We can subtract 35 from 80. So we will get our answer as 45. 45, and here we will get the answer as 4. So our answer is 4 hours 45 minutes. So this was the operation of addition and subtraction. So students, you will try to solve your exercise first in your rough notebook, and then you will figure out all the questions which I have given you to do it in your fair notebook. So now I would like to explain you story sums. So we will do story sums also.